Yes, YouTube. I know it's been weeks, but I'm back. I never got. I'm already there where you wanna be. All right, today I want to show you these 3 grading process, which is gonna save your life. It's gonna make your life changing. All right. First, we have a correction, look DNA, and a cleanup. If you apply your look without correcting perfect your image, it will look so worse. And if you have a done your grade without a cleanup, it also looks terrible. So those 3 things are depending each and other. Alright, I'm gonna start it with the correcting. Importing your CST Rec 79, balance your exposure before CST, and control your white balance if it is necessary. And second, make your grade DNA. Okay, if you have a problem of create your own look, I recommend you to buy my loots, which is as a cheap price and the 2 parts on it, skintone and other look DNA. I'm gonna choose any type of a look that I need, and then I qualify my skin, and also I'm gonna apply a skin tone loot to my skin. And last is gonna be my cleanup grading. So I'm gonna start with the glow. The reason why I make a glow is just help my color range and also have a nice depth, shining, and really perfect your look. The look is gonna be very respected. Okay, after apply glow, I'm gonna use a noise reduction, which is gonna be before all the process. Reason why this is clean up your footage. We got rasters, we got noises, we got, especially when we shoot a log footage. We have a lot of noise in there if you have a high oscillations. So we're going to clean up. If you shoot it on a low light, also it's going to clean that up. All right, and then we're gonna have a sharp ones to reboost our details. So thanks you very much for watching this video. This is the Director Kim. It's been a very, very, very long time. Some stuff is coming up and I'm upside down, but I'm back on building, baby. See you in the next tutorial. Don't forget subscribe, smash the bell button, comment it right there, share for the others. Most of people want my tutorials, and if you go do so, you help me out.